guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to post one project video, and that project is based on biomedical image processing. So before execution of the code, just go to my YouTube channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. So you just run this button. It will open one graphical user interface. The title of the code is recognition of osteoporosis through CT images using image processing. So it's one kind of bone disease detection. So first thing that you have to do is just click on select image button, and you have to select one image from test database. Select any one image from the input database. So I'm going to select this image. Just click on open button. Now the next thing that you have to do is you have to click on parameter calculation button. So just click on the button. So it will find out the Gaussian image as well as segmented image. At the same time, the graph is plotted. That graph name is feature graph. Okay, and I'm getting some output parameter like peak signal noise ratio, average difference, contrast, mean square error, normalized absolute error, entropy, structural content, signal to noise ratio, correlation, minimum difference, BIOI, and homogeneity. So these parameters are used for classification purpose. Now just click on classify button. So in classification you will get exact bone disease. So in this case I am getting it is a osteoporosis bone and the case is non-severe. Just click on OK, close this graph. So here I am getting the status as it is a osteoporosis bone, case is non-severe. Just click on clear all, and I'm going to run this code for second image. Now you have to do same process. Just select image from test database. I'm going to select this image 2.jpg. Click on open button. Now just click on parameter calculation button. So here I'm getting feature graph. This is my Gaussian image, this is my segmented image. Now if I look at the value of PSNR, that I am getting 95.59, the mean square error, that is MSA, I am getting is 2.59, the structural content that I am getting is 1.00, the minimum difference that I am getting is 17, the average difference that I am getting is 0.27, the normalized absolute error that I am getting is 0.0026, the SNR that I am getting is 19.10, the value of BIOI that I am getting is 3.44, the contrast value is 0.11, the value of entropy is 5.89, the value of correlation that I am getting is 0.99, and the value of homogeneity that I am getting is 0.94. Now the next button that you have to click is classify button. So it will classify the bone disease. So in this case I'm getting result as it's a normal bone. So this bone doesn't having any kind of disease. So just click on OK button and close this graph. And finally just click on clear all and exit this GUI. If you want such kind of more videos on DIP based project, then just click on subscribe button, share my all the videos as well as like my all videos. Thank you so much